I don't really know why my video stopped. No, I think it should come off. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, I have to open this more. Okay, now it should come off. Yes, quick and nice. But I don't know how to actually remove the like this. Good. Okay. Looks like the battery is damaged. It's it was punctured. It's not working properly, and I'm afraid to use it more for the laptop. It's inflated. Okay, let's see if this is the problem of the touchpad. Yeah, it looks like this was the problem. Now it's working good. Remove this. Keyboard. Any kind of connectors. This. 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 Remove all the connectors from the main board. Be careful with doesn't want to come. Oh yeah, there is a safety. Here is the safety. You want to pull this out and then pull it out. Okay, let's see the screw that holds the motherboard now. Smaller. Perfect. I hope that comes off quickly. I don't want to spend a lot of time disassembling it, because in like 30 minutes I need to go Okay, let's see if it comes. Yeah, looks like not. No screw here, one clips here, and it looks like it's blocked. I don't really know. Think I need to remove this too from here. Yeah, and these ones and that one. Okay. Doesn't want to come off. Okay. I really don't know how to take this out or how not to take this out. We'll remove everything, every screw that can or holds the motherboard in place. Looks like there is a lot of dust on the radiator. Oh, that was the last thing that was holding the actual motherboard. Okay, hope I can take this out without removing the okay, looks like I can. I need to remove one more screw from here before removing the motherboard. Yeah, much easier now. Ooh, there is a lot of dust in it, in the laptop. Blow it a little bit. Take this and clean the dust. In my opinion, very clean, very nice. I kinda love this layout. The laptop in comparison with MacBook Pro. Yeah, I don't think I can do much things to clean this. Okay. Remove this. Ooh, the screw are not the result is not. Oh my god, the pasta is so hard. I'm sorry that I even used it and turned on before doing this. It's criminal for this laptop. It's so solidified that I don't think I can remove it. Oh, that's why it hits that much. Okay, looks like the actual chipset it's quite clean. I think I need a toothpick. I have one here to remove the pasta faster. Okay. Okay, I cleaned that. Now the GPU. I was an idiot that I used it before cleaning. I could have destroyed it permanently, and yeah. That is not an option. Let me remove this. There is a lot of solidified pasta around here. I don't even know what are there because it's so much pasta. And okay, there is some rubbing alcohol now. Dai cu el, mama! Okay, here's how you clean the CPU. Now the heatsink, and this is how you clean a Macbook Unibody. Hope you like it, and hope it helps you. See you next time with another laptop. Bye.